Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to add image in Power BI, beginner quick tip. Let's dive right into the world of Power BI, a powerful tool for creating visually striking reports and dashboards. If you're a beginner, you might be wondering how you can enhance your reports to make them not only informative, but also visually engaging. Adding images can be a game changer in making your data stand out. Whether it's incorporating your company logo, a banner, or any other graphic element, images can add a professional touch to your presentations. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only learn how to add an image, but also discover ways to resize, format, and even add interactive actions to your images. To get started, make sure you have your Power BI file open and you're in the report view. This is the main area where you'll be crafting your visualizations. At the top of the Power BI interface, you'll find a menu with various options. Look for the Insert option in this menu. Clicking on Insert opens up a variety of possibilities for adding visual components to your report. In today's tutorial, we will specifically focus on inserting images. Once you're in the Insert menu, you'll see a button labeled Image. Click on this button to begin the process of adding an image. When you do, a file dialog window will pop up, similar to when you're adding an attachment to an email. Take a moment to browse through your computer files to find the image you wish to include. This could be anything from a company logo to a product photo, or perhaps even a fun graphic to add some flair to your report. Once you've selected the perfect image, click Open, and Power BI will insert that image directly onto your report canvas. Now that your image is in place, you have the opportunity to customize it. You'll notice a gray border around the image, indicating that it's selected and ready for adjustments. To resize the image, you can click and drag the corners of this border. If you want to maintain the image's proportions, drag diagonally. Alternatively, use the side handles to stretch or compress the image to fit your needs. It may take a bit of tweaking to get the size just right, but don't worry, you can always adjust it later. If you want to take customization even further, keep the image selected and look to the right side of the screen, where the Format Image pane appears. This is where the fun really begins. Here, you can enhance your image by adjusting its transparency, adding borders or shadows, and even rounding the corners for a softer look. For instance, if you're adding a logo, you might want to make it semi-transparent so that it complements rather than distracts from your data. Or, if you're using a hero image, increasing the brightness can make it pop. One of the most powerful features in Power BI is the ability to add actions to images. In the Format Image pane, you can enable the Action option. This functionality is fantastic for creating interactive reports. For example, you can link the image to another page in your report, or even set it to launch a website when clicked. Just toggle the action switch, specify where you want the image to direct users, and you're all set. Don't forget to explore the General section of the Format Image pane for even more customization options. Here, you can precisely set the position of the image or lock its aspect ratio, ensuring it always looks crisp and professional. Spend some time experimenting with these settings to achieve the perfect fit for your report. And remember, if something doesn't look quite right, the Undo button is your friend. Power BI is designed to be forgiving, allowing you to experiment without fear. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, you can effectively add and customize images in Power BI, turning your dashboards into not only informative, but also visually appealing and interactive experiences. If you found this tutorial on PMN Online helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions for future tutorials in the comments section. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest Power BI tips and tutorials. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to add image in Power BI, beginner quick tip, quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to add image in Power BI, beginner quick tip, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.